उसने इतना जोर का मारा है अपने पैसे बचाने के लिए।
What a fantastic!
हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू अवर चैनल। मैं हूं मोहम्मद आजाद
मैं मोहम्मद सदात
और आप देख रहे हैं बड़ी ब्रोज रिएक्शन। उम्मीद है आप सब खैरियत से होंगे।
आज की वीडियो में हम जाएंगे वृंदावन ब्राजीलियन एम्बेसडर के साथ। करली टेल्स वालों की वीडियो है, वीडियो का लिंक और चैनल का लिंक भी हम दे देंगे। तो बस शुरू करते हैं राधे राधे कहकर। वीडियो एंड तक देखना, बहुत मजे की वीडियो है।
मैं हूँ वृंदावन में और यहाँ हेलो नहीं कहते, यहाँ कहते हैं राधे राधे।
अच्छा, राधे राधे क्या?
भगवान कृष्ण के साथ।
I invited Brazilian ambassador to India who knows nothing about Braj culture to India's most energetic and deeply spiritual city, Vrindavan. Now I have only 6 hours to completely transform him from a diplomat to a traditional Brajvasi. हाथी घोड़ा पाल की जय कन्हैया लाल की। मैं हूँ काव्या जानी and on this episode of Atiti Deva Bhava, we are going to churn some fresh makhan.
This isn't patience. It's really a full Brazilian jiu-jitsu workout. My arms are burning.
We take him on a temple run in Vrindavan.
ब्राजीलियन एम्बेसडर
हरे कृष्णा।
कपड़ों में, लिबास में बड़े खूबसूरत लग रहे हैं।
This house is about 600 years old.
Wow, older than Brazil.
She's almost carrying 40 kilos on herself.
I'm really stunned by this.
We are teaching the ambassador fingers को किस तरह से आप चम्मच बना सकते हैं।
First time I'm eating without spoon or fork.
राधे राधे।
We've dressed like locals. Now we got to travel like locals. If you manage to break the pot in one go, you get the title of being a true Brajvasi. But if you fail, then you've got to take me and my entire crew to Rio Carnival in Brazil on an all-expense paid trip.
Wow.
3, 2, and... So, Ambassador, Radhe Radhe,
Okay.
welcome to Vrindavan. This is Krishna Nagari, the place where Lord Krishna had spent a lot of his childhood. Now, you're usually always suited, signing international treaties, but today we are going to immerse in a Braj cultural experience.
But this is not actually so new to me because in Brazil you have over 150,000 followers of Krishna.
Really?
Yes.
150,000?
Yes. São Paulo and Rio are mini Vrindavan.
Oh, that's
and
interesting.
Each year, I think over 3,000 Brazilians come to Vrindavan.
That is so amazing. But what about you? Is this your first visit or have you been to Vrindavan before?
शायद
this is my
इंडियन गए
first time.
वो।
Okay, Ambassador, so I'm very excited to show you around Vrindavan, given that we have such a strong connect between Brazil and Vrindavan, but there is one problem.
One problem?
Yes.
What problem?
I mean, look at me. I am dressed like a Vrindavan Gopi, and you are dressed like you're heading for a board meeting. You can't just watch the culture, you have to become it. So, the first step to experience the culture is to change your attire. You're ready for it?
Oh, yes.
Okay, so we've got this piece of cloth. It's got
Okay.
no stitches, no drama, nothing, just a
Lungi.
piece
Oh.
of cloth. And you've got to figure out how to wear this like a dhoti. Do you know
Wow.
what a dhoti is?
Yes, I have an idea.
Okay, do you think you'll be able to figure it out?
Well, carnival costumes in Brazil are colorful and wide, but at least they have a zipper. How I'm going to figure out how to wrap myself in that?
This is going to be challenging because you don't know what's the front or what's the back.
Yes.
But if you manage to figure it out, I owe you a lunch. But if you don't,
Okay.
you buy a lunch for me and my entire crew here.
Deal.
Deal?
Oh, okay.
And Ambassador, you've got 3 minutes for this. Are
Okay,
you
let's-
ready?
let's go,
Your
let's go.
time starts now. There is absolutely zero chance he's going to be able to figure it out. I mean, it takes people years to learn how to perfectly pleat a dhoti.
She thinks I'm going to fail, but I am a diplomat. I always come prepared. Ready-made dhoti. It takes me 5 seconds to wear it. Let's go win that bet.
Only 10 seconds left, Ambassador. Get your wallet ready for lunch.
I'm ready. Not even 3 minutes, and I'm ready to win this
पहन
bet.
लिया कोई। ओए होए,
ओए ओए
Wait, what? Those perfect pleats? How did you manage that in 3 minutes, Ambassador?
I told you, Kenya, there are over 150,000 Brazilian devotees of Krishna. I know Braj culture.
Wow.
And you owe me now a lunch.
Absolutely. Honestly speaking, I think you truly deserve it because you look so stunning. If I had to describe you in one word, I would call you Manohar. Lord Krishna was often called Manohar because he stole everyone's heart. And with this look of yours, you are definitely stealing hearts. So let me tell you what you're wearing. What you're wearing on top is called kurta. And dhoti, of course. It's very comfortable, breathable,
It's so comfortable.
and it really
So-
suits you.
Oh, thank you.
बहुत खूबसूरत
Thank
लग
you.
रही है।
What I am wearing is a Vrindavan Gopi look where I'm wearing a cotton ghagra.
Okay.
This is called
घाघरा
choli
खूबसूरत
and
है, लेकिन
this
इतना
is called
खूबसूरत शायद
oni.
नहीं है।
And
जितने
my
इससे
jewelry
पहले
definitely
पहना हुआ था।
adds another level of authenticity to my look. You also see these dots on my forehead. This is called Gopi Chandan. And now that you look the part, it's time for us to experience a traditional Braj welcome.
Let's go. Radhe Radhe.
Radhe Radhe. This is called Thandai. It actually keeps you cool in this warm weather of Vrindavan. It's a milk-based sweet drink. Very, very delicious.
राधा प्यारी आज रंग बरस रहा
ये कोई फिल्टर डांस वगैरह भी गा ये भगवान कृष्ण का ट्रिब्यूट करते हैं डांस आजकल
आज नंद लाला ने
खूब लग रहे हैं
धूम मचाई है प्रेम
ओए, ओए।
भरी
अब
होली
स्टेप भी मार रहे हैं
झलक दिखाई है
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Hare
Thank you,
Krishna.
Hari. Really stunning. Really stunning.
मेहमानों को इसी तरह इज्जत देनी चाहिए
So, Ambassador, now that you look a true Brajvasi, it's also time to act like one. So, Ambassador, Lord Krishna was not just considered as a god, but more like a mischievous child. You know, he would often be called Makhan Chor because he would steal the freshly churned makhan. Makhan means butter. Today, we are not going to steal makhan, we are going to earn it. And we are going to do that using the traditional Bilona method. And to tell us how to do it, let's call the chef. Radhe Radhe.
Radhe Radhe.
What happens is we add the buttermilk with a lot of ice cube because of too hot. So हमें इस तरीके से we will put it and then we have to rotate it like this. Comes with the whirlpool. उसके बाद जैसे जैसे वो swirl होता रहेगा, all the butter will float above the water.
I see.
Yes. So this is how we swirl it out. So would you like to try it out?
Yes, sure. So, chef, how long does it take to actually
It takes
get
about-
butter out of
okay,
this?
It takes about 30 to 40 minutes. It's a lot of hard work the people used to do in the bread.
This-
Okay,
40
thank you very much.
Pressure.
So, Ambassador, churning makhan takes
40
time,
minute,
it takes
butter को निकालने
patience
में
and
लगते
a
हैं।
lot of arm workout. Would you like to try it?
Yes, of course.
यार एम्बेसडर से मक्खन निकलवा रहे हैं। माल है आपकी यार
Patience. This isn't patience. It's
Indian keema
really a
man,
full
Nawaz.
Brazilian jiu-jitsu workout. Wow.
Absolutely.
My
बहुत
arms are
बेहतरीन।
burning.
Oh, you are doing it so well, though. It's properly, I can see the whole whirlpool. Okay, Ambassador, wow, you did it. I can already see some white
Yes.
makhan floating on top. It's done, done, done.
Done.
Good job. Okay, now we got to use our hands
Okay.
and actually remove the makhan, put it in this bowl, and we add some misri to it. And this is called makhan
pehna.
misri. Okay?
Okay.
Let me try this.
ग्लव्स के बगैर डाल रही है वो बुरा मानते हैं तो वो भी साथ शुरू हो गया
Your wife will be
Traditional
very
wo hai na,
happy. You
isme.
can tell her that I know how to churn fresh makhan out of it. We made it makhan mishri. Ambassador, I love how participative you have been. I am sure we Indians love you already. This butter looked absolutely delicious. So great job. But before you taste your victory, we have another challenge for you.
What challenge? Why I'm holding a coconut?
Because he would have this butter by breaking this earthen pot using a coconut.
I see.
Are you up for it? Would you be able to do it?
Yes.
Just so that you have a clear field, we are going to secure the makhan that we have churned. Okay? So, Ambassador, you've got just one shot for this. If you manage to do this in one go, you get the title of being a true Brajwasi. But
Okay.
if you fail, you got to take me and my entire crew to the Rio Carnival in Brazil
Wow.
on an all-expense-paid trip.
Well, my poor diplomatic budget cannot handle that. But we never miss a target. Remember that we are a football nation.
Of course, but you've got only one shot. Okay, Ambassador?
Okay, let's
Go for
तीन
it.
थोड़ा तो ट्रिप पे
3,
लेके
2,
जाएंगे।
and 1.
उसने इतना जोर का मारा है अपने पैसे बचाने के लिए।
What a fantastic throw! You
I
proved
saved my
it.
budget.
You saved your budget and you proved you are a true blue Brazilian with the title of a traditional Brajwasi. You've dressed like locals.
Okay.
Now we got to travel like locals.
Okay.
This is an e-rickshaw of Vrindavan.
वृंदावन
Let's go.
इलेक्ट्रिकल रिक्शा है ये, ई रिक्शा। क्या बात है यार। हम इतना लोगों में घुल मिल के फिर रहे हैं।
So this temple in Vrindavan
Temple
is
कितना
about
प्यारा है।
51 years old.
Oh.
And ISKCON as a community is huge. You will find it in different parts of the world.
This is Gaur Nitai. On the left hand side is Nityananda Prabhu. He is the incarnation of Lord Balram.
Krishna.
He is supposed to be the elder brother of Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama,
This is a lot of blessing from God coming to you.
Rama Rama, Hare.
Hare Krishna.
हम भी कह देते हैं हरे कृष्णा।
So, Ambassador, all the pictures and the paintings that you see here depict the story of Lord Krishna. She is Lord Krishna's mother, Maiya Yashoda, and the father is Nand Maharaj.
Holy name is the only way through which you can attain God. So that is the philosophy that ISKCON Vrindavan follows. And this kirtan which you are listening to right now, it has been started 40 years ago, and there is not even a single second that this kirtan was stopped.
So, would you like to be a part of this world record at ISKCON Vrindavan?
Of course.
Let's go. Hare Krishna.
बहुत खूबसूरत।
The house where we are, Ambassador, at, you can see how beautifully is it designed.
Beautiful architecture.
You see all the carvings. So what if I tell you, this house is about 600 years old.
Wow.
Jesus.
Older than Brazil.
How old is Brazil?
Brazil is 520 years old.
Now I'm going to introduce you to a traditional 400-year-old dance form named Charkula, where a lady will be having lots of lamps above her head with lots of fire, and she'll be
Yeah.
having all the dance moves.
Wow. Well, as you know, in carnival, ladies can also wear extravagant hairdresses, but with fire, this is another level.
Absolutely, it's quite crazy.
It's another level.
Yeah.
चढ़े दूध की धार धार तेरे माथे मुकुट विराज रहो तेरी मानसी गंगा भरी रहे तेरी मानसी गंगा भरी रहे हम संत करें स्नान स्नान तेरे माथे मुकुट विराज रहो श्री गोवर्धन जय जय श्री राधे
Wow. ये कितना किलो होगा आपके सर पर?
वो 40 किलो है
40 kilo?
जी
She's almost carrying 40 kilos on herself.
No, yes, it's incredible. I'm really stunned by this.
ये हमारे ब्रज में जब राधा रानी का प्राकट्य हुआ, यहाँ गिरिराज जी के पास में राधा कुंड है। राधा कुंड के जस्ट बाजू में है मुखराई गांव, वहाँ राधा रानी के नंसार है। और जब राधा रानी का प्राकट्य तब हुआ तो राधा रानी ने खुशी के कारण रथ के पहिए पे ना 108 दीपक लगा के और उसको सर पे रख के तब डांस किया और वहीं से ये प्रथा प्रारंभ हो गई है।
बहुत ही अच्छा डांस करते हैं आप, बहुत जरा धन्यवाद।
ये वाकई खूबसूरत था।
You saw the dance, but
Yeah.
now I'm going to introduce you to an art form of Vrindavan.
Okay.
Now, this might look like a plain piece of paper, but what if I tell you that this can be converted into a Krishna masterpiece?
Oh,
Yes,
okay.
this is Sanchi art, and we'll show you and also try it out as to how we can experiment and be extremely creative with Sanchi art.
Okay, let's see.
As you can see, they have like made
Yes.
these cuts in between.
Yes.
Very,
And
very
be-
intricate.
Yes, and beautiful. Then they chose some colors, but in a very sparingly way. They use colors.
Absolutely. The paper is also handmade, and also they've cut it literally by hand. It's not any machine or robotic
Yeah,
or
yeah.
no AI.
No AI.
I am a sixth generation artist of this work. So my father do it this. So this is my tool, my scissor, and it's all cut by this side.
Ambassador, how good are you at art?
Zero. An embarrassment.
आशुतोष, क्या बना रहे हो आप?
Lotus.
लोटस। और आपको लगता है हम लोटस बना पाएंगे?
जी, sure.
अच्छा, he is very confident we'll be able to make it.
Oh.
Let's see. I can't even write this fast. The speed at which he's cutting this paper.
Yes.
Ashutosh, this is so beautiful.
Yes, it's fantastic.
Isn't it? Would you like to give it a go? Okay.
Wow.
We know, diplomat, you're very good with diplomacy, but now we want to know how good are you at art. Brazil and India will work together on this art form.
Oh.
Welcome back. You have survived through the bustling streets of Vrindavan, also experienced a centuries-old devotion, and now it's time to treat you with the full Braj meal. Interestingly, the Braj meal is actually called prasad. This is such a delicious-looking, wholesome meal right in front of us.
Yes, I hope this is all vegetarian.
Oh.
Despite being a Brazilian, I tend to eat more and more vegetarian food. I think it's healthier.
So you are in the best place. I think Vrindavan is meant for you because you only get vegetarian food in Vrindavan. In fact, you will never find any dish prepared with onion or garlic. And in addition to that, always served in earthenware because it's natural, no chemicals. So we'll take a moment to just pray.
प्याज और गार्लिक भी नहीं डालते।
So shall we begin?
Yes, but where is the spoon, the fork?
Well, in Vrindavan, you use your hands to eat your food. There is no spoon or fork. So we're going to be washing our hands before we begin.
Delicious.
But are you a fan of spicy food? Do you like Indian food?
I like Indian food, but I have a moderate tolerance to spiciness. So this I have to adapt myself.
For how long have you been in India, Ambassador?
2 years and almost 7 months.
And since you've been here for over 2 years, have you learnt any Hindi so far?
I have tried, and when I greet people in the residence in my events, I say, Brazil dutavas mein, aap sabka swagat hai.
Wow! You say that so well. I feel Brazilians and Indians definitely celebrate the joy of living. Do you find any similarities, Ambassador, between India as well as Brazil?
As you know, the Portuguese brought spices from India to Brazil,
Right.
beginning in the 16th century. So then I think you get what you have, something Brazilian meal, which is perhaps closest to the Indian taste.
If I were to come to Brazil, which is that one dish that you would highly recommend I must try?
You should try rice and beans the Brazilian way, but then you have lots of garlic.
Have you been to any places here in India that you really like?
I have been to a number of places here, but one place which is a favorite of mine is Jaisalmer. I've been 3 times to Jaisalmer. I love Jaisalmer, just love Jaisalmer.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
I've been also a number of times to Jaipur, not only for business but also for pleasure. I think there are 2 places, and I have been also to Varanasi, but Varanasi is something out of this world. You have to experience that. To go to Aurangabad, to the Ajanta and Ellora caves, for a Brazilian, from a very young country, you're not a country, you're a civilization. So for me, it's once in a life experience to be here.
And we are so happy to welcome you to India. The show is called Atithi Deva Bhava, which means guest is God. And for us, you are God.
Oh,
and we
my
want
goodness.
to treat you with the best hospitality,
Oh, thank you
which is
very
a
much.
part of Indian culture.
Bahut dhanyavad.
Oh,
इंडिया में मेहमान को
that is so
दामन।
sweet. I can
Yes.
see you are having rice with roti.
Not a good.
Not a good idea. So
I was wondering how can I grab some rice.
So I'll tell you, with rice, you will have to have one of these dishes, either the curry, since you like dal, is the safest choice.
Yes,
Yes.
true.
So you can add a little bit of dal on top, mix it a little like this,
Oh, I see.
and then have a bite.
Okay. It's the first time I'm eating without spoon or fork.
हाथ से खाएंगे
Let's see how well you do. Okay, I'm going to teach you. This is a very important part of Indian culture. Okay, so basically the idea is to cup your hands like this and grab food like this. So
Okay.
like this, and then you cup it correct like that, and use your thumb to also hold the food together.
Okay.
You can keep your other hand, and then
Kind of worked.
yeah, use your hands as spoon while you enjoy this meal.
विजिटर वो का हो रहा है
As you mentioned,
Sarai
Brazil
Kibir,
is known to be a
Coca-Cola.
football country. I'm sure it's a big part of your culture,
Yes.
which is football. Who's your favorite football player?
I'm not being original here. It's Pelé.
Okay, he's world famous. Everybody loves him.
Yes.
Have you met our Prime Minister Narendra Modi?
Your Honorable Prime Minister paid a state visit to Brazil last year.
Yeah.
I was in the meeting
Okay.
together with President Lula, so I had the privilege to exchange a few words with him.
What
And
are your thoughts about how India is viewed worldwide, and especially for Brazil? How important is India?
we have been close partners for many years. Perhaps it's not so well known, but since we established diplomatic relations, that was in 1948, we have been connecting very much our positions and coordinating in the UN, United Nations, World Health Organization, World Trade Organization, and so on. Countries that we are both large democracies, we are developing countries. Our perceptions are really convergent regarding for what kind of world context we should pursue in order to facilitate our development process. So we have really convergent views. And more as of late, business is booming between our countries. It's really booming.
And thank you to Brazil for being such a great friend and great partner to India. Language lessons with the Brazilian ambassador to India. Okay, so first word is hello. We say Radhe Radhe,
Olá,
Mattha,
soro de leite,
Angna,
pátio,
Gam,
aldeia,
Batohi,
viajante,
Gayo,
foi,
Sang,
ao largo,
Aram so baitho,
sente-se confortavelmente,
Avat rahiyo,
continue a visita,
Dhyan rakhiyo,
cuide-se,
Bhagwan bhalo kare.
Deus te abençoe.
Ah, thank you. So, Ambassador, the name of the show is Atithi Deva Bhava, and which means guest is God. And I have to say, you have been an amazing guest. Be it churning your own butter or surviving this fiery dance, you have been so good.
You have been a fantastic host too.
Thank you.
Well, the energy, the devotion, the colors, Braj culture, you have to live in order to really understand it.
And it's been an absolute pleasure to show you around. But again, there's a tiny problem.
Again?
Yes. You destroyed the matka completely. And I lost the bet, which means I still have to take my crew to Brazil on a fully paid trip and I have to pay for it.
Well, a bet is a bet. Brazil never misses the target.
So I will definitely buy the tickets, but I got you to do a lot of arm workout. I took you through the chaotic streets of Vrindavan. I hope the embassy will still grant me a visa to visit your beautiful country.
Well, you have been a fantastic host. You showed me the heart of Vrindavan. Visa approved. Welcome to Brazil.
That's
Visa
amazing.
भी मिल
I
गया
am
Brazil.
packing my bags. But if you want to see me broke as I plan this Rio Carnival trip with me and my crew, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I'm going to see you in the next episode of Atiti Deva Bhava. इतना खूबसूरत लग रहा है अचानक बारिश हो
बहुत मजे की वीडियो थी। कर्ली टेल्स की जिस तरह वीडियो वो बनाते हैं हमेशा की तरह मजे की, उस तरह दीदी ने बहुत प्यारी और बहुत मजे की वीडियो बनाई है। आप क्या कहना चाहते हैं?
बेशक बेशक बड़ा बेहतरीन, सबसे बेहतरीन जो मामे लगा ना, वो सबसे पहले इंडियन हॉस्पिटैलिटी। वो मैं तो कहता हूँ दुनिया में सबसे ज्यादा जो बेहतरीन जो लोगों को, मेहमानों को इज्जत देते हैं, तो वो यही मुल्क है। इतना खूबसूरत तरीके से, फिर इस लड़की की कमाल थी, जिस तरह वो उसे पिरा रही थी इधर उधर, ये है हमारे पास, ये है हमारा, ये है, और आपके पास क्या है, उसको जिस तरीके से मतलब वो समझा रही थी। और फिर एम्बेसडर की भी बहुत बड़ी कमाल थी, वो घुल मिल जाता था। चाहे पूजा पाठ हो या फिर कोई ऐसे उनकी जो मतलब आपस में जो भी रूटीन की जो चीज होती, उनमें घुल मिल जाता था। तो बड़ा मजा आया, बड़ा मजा ऐसे लग रहा है कि जैसे कोई बेहतरीन मूवी देख ली हो।
बहुत मजा आया। और जो बातें बीच में हुई और जो इन्फॉर्मेशन मिली कि ब्राजील में इतने इंडियंस हैं और इतने इंडियन हर साल आते हैं वृंदावन, या इतने हिंदू कह ले, क्योंकि शायद ब्राजीलियन लोगों में कुछ हिंदू हो, वो वृंदावन आते हैं। और वृंदावन जगह ऐसी है, बहुत पाक साफ जगह है और बहुत मतलब जहाँ पे खुदा या भगवान खुद रहे हो, उसने टाइम गुजारा हो, तो वो कैसी जगह होगी, सुकून वाली। ठीक है, तो हम तो हमारी ख्वाहिश है कि कभी चल देखे वृंदावन को या मथुरा को, ये इस तरह कभी जाए वृंदावन या मथुरा। लेकिन वीडियो बहुत मजे की थी, जिस तरह
हमने साथ साथ रिएक्शन भी कर दिया।
यस, साथ साथ में हम बोलते भी रहे। और बाकी जो एम्बेसडर की एक बात मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगी कि इंडिया कंट्री नहीं है, ब्राजील कंट्री, ये सब इंडिया सिविलाइजेशन है पूरी।
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल, ये बहुत
ये मैंने उनसे सुना, मैंने क्या वाकई इस बात में दम है, क्योंकि इंडिया में बहुत सारे कल्चर और बहुत सारे कास्ट और लोग बहुत ज्यादा, मतलब पठान भी रहते हैं, पंजाबी, बिहारी, तमिल, हर किस्म के लोग रहते हैं,
और ये सारे इकट्ठे
रहते हैं और
मोहब्बत से रह रहे हैं। ये बहुत बड़ी कमाल है, बहुत
और सारी ऐसे सिविलाइजेशन की तरह मतलब रहते हैं। मतलब क्या बात है, बहुत मजे की वीडियो थी और हमें बहुत मजा आया ये वीडियो देख के। तो बस आज के लिए इतनी ही। अगर आपको हमारा रिएक्शन अच्छा लगा हो तो हम आपको आपसे रिक्वेस्ट करते हैं कि हमारे चैनल को लाइक सब्सक्राइब करें, और कोई गलती हो गई हो, रिलीजियस पार्ट्स भी थे बीच में, तो उसके लिए माजरत। कोई गलती हो गई, इंसान है, हम कोशिश करते हैं कि गलती ना करें, लेकिन फिर भी अगर हो गई है तो उसके लिए माजरत। मिलते हैं अगली वीडियो में। गुड बाय, बल्कि राधे राधे।